Hey, babe, what you doing?
Putting my brand new 42-inch curved LED moose light on the car so I can actually see, because the headlights suck.
Well, right now, what are you doing?
I am messing with my Thor's hammer, seeing if it's got the right tools that I need, and I think it does. We'll see. Like, get it out of there.
Yeah, things get very stayed in there. It doesn't matter how many times we've taken it out, it stays. Anyway, I will show you the progress along the way. Not that that was loud or anything. Alright, so this is where it's going to go. It's going to be super bright. He's got to hook it all up now, and then tonight we will show you what it does.
Oh, bright, yeah, because I'll have to adjust it and stuff. Ready now? All right, this is the low beams on this car. They're terrible. And then we go to high beams, and they're a little better, but they're still suck.
All right, now we haven't seen it yet, what's going to happen with the light bar. We haven't seen it yet, so you'll see it with us.
Yeah, I just added a 42-inch curved light bar, and, well, this is it. Boom shakalaka, it's daylight.
It got so bright, it had to readjust on the film.
And I haven't even adjusted it yet.
The window seems a little dirty.
It is. That's the only downside to putting it on the roof is it lights up the window.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't care.
I don't think it really does much difference in the distance. I mean, turn it off. I think I could see further with this than I can with the big.
We're going to go on the highway and see what it looks. And plus, I think I need to adjust this thing.
Yeah, alright, so when we get onto a more road, I'll turn the video back on. Alright, we're on more of a main road now, so.
See if I can adjust it. Make any difference?
No?
Okay, we'll call that good. The big thing, well, the big one's coming up. What I like is look on either side of the road.
Yeah.
You see freaking everything.
Turn it off.
Yeah, let me find the switch.
Okay, on.
And you're right, you can really see how dirty the windshield is.
Yeah. And I think you might be able to see more, on the sides a little bit.
With the headlights off.
But I feel like you can see further with it off. Not that off. It's okay, people. You can tell just how much traffic we have here. Yeah, that window is so dirty. But that's what happens when he drives the car to a quarry every day.
Yeah, it's dirty.
I think you can see better without it in some spots.
Well, what I like is it lights up the ditches.
Yeah.
And and it would probably look a lot better if the windshield was cool.
Yeah, that would help. Yeah, it really just emphasizes the dirt.
Yeah.
But I mean, not just going to the quarry, but going down to Anchorage and stuff, you've got a lot of dirt on the car lately.
Oh, yeah.
Just happens.
All right, I'll go back.
Yeah, this is going to be a longer video, but that's okay. Anything over 3 minutes, no matter what form it's in, is going to go up on YouTube as a long form. Because, well, they only let 3-minute shorts up.
Yeah, I love the light.
Good.
And the price is right too, really. It's a good
I don't
price.
remember how much we spent for it.
Not very much.
Well, I remember you thinking it was going to be a lot more
Yeah.
because it's been so many years since you looked for them. And I kept telling him that the prices have gone down insane on those kind of things. It's not like they were before. I mean, when was the last time you put a moose light on something?
The Jimmy.
When was that, though?
8 years ago.
We've been together for 4.
Yeah.
So, you want to go back a few years on that one?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
I don't remember exactly when.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching. There's our moose light. Up here, they're important. You should know. You probably saw the video I posted earlier today. Well, earlier. This video probably won't go up today. With what happened when he ran my moose into, or my Explorer into a moose last year, a year ago today.
That's why I put this on.
Yeah, that's why the lights on the Explorer were pretty bad. We were gonna put a moose light on it. We were looking at them. We were getting ready to order one, but then, it wasn't necessary anymore. Here's the fun part about that one. It got a new transmission a week before that.
It happens.
Yeah. All right. We're home. Talk to y'all later.